In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a gift card on eBay. Whether you've received a gift card as a present or just purchased one for yourself, adding it to your eBay account is straightforward and can quickly enhance your shopping experience by enabling you to make purchases with your newly added balance. Let's start by navigating to the right spot within your eBay account. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the eBay website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, look for the Sign In option, enter your details, and gain access to your personal dashboard. You're now ready to kickstart the process. From your eBay homepage, direct your attention towards the upper right corner where you'll find an option labeled My eBay. Clicking on My eBay reveals a drop-down menu that allows access to various parts of your account settings and history. What you're looking for here is the Account section. Selecting Account will bring you to a page that houses all your account-related information and settings. Within this Account Management section, you should see an option for gift cards. Clicking on gift cards takes you a step closer to redeeming that card. The moment you click, you're presented with an assortment of options, but the real focus here is the Redeem a Gift Card link. When you find this option, give it a click and prepare to enter some important information. After selecting Redeem a Gift Card, you'll be prompted to enter the details of your gift card, starting with the card number. Typically, this number is found on the back of the card or in your email if it's a digital gift card. Carefully enter this number into the provided field. Right below the card number section, you'll also need to input the PIN. Often the PIN is concealed under a scratchable silver strip if you're dealing with a physical card, or it will be conveniently listed in a digital card format. So make sure to input this too. Once both your card number and PIN are entered correctly, it's time to move forward and add this balance to your account. You will typically find a Confirm button on the screen. By clicking Confirm, eBay will process the information you've entered. Assuming everything is done correctly, this adds the balance of your gift card directly into your account. That's it. You should now see the balance updated in your account, ready for you to use on your next purchase. Congratulations, you've successfully redeemed your gift card on eBay, linking your card to your account in just a few simple steps. Now you can enjoy